everyone from Data Deep. Well, I've come up with this topic on business intelligence, and I'm going to tell you what business intelligence is and what is the role of business analyst in the domain of business intelligence. So just to get to know more about what business intelligence is and its scope, and we'll do a couple of case studies. Before I begin, let me tell you something about myself. So I am Mandeep Singh and I'm a business analyst. My academic background is I'm an MBA in business analytics, industry IT, specialization is business intelligence. Well, why is it called a warrior course? So the reason is that the course is going to be industry centric. Skills and tasks emphasized are those that the IT industry truly demands. So when you go into the IT industry and when you want to be a business analyst, so they are going to ask you, the relevant tasks if you know it. So will try to cover most of them so that you don't face any difficulties. And the second thing is beyond academics. Real world applications not typically covered in traditional BA education. So it may not have been covered in your degrees, the academic degrees. So and it may not be aligned to what the market needs. So you'll come to know about it, what real tools and topics a real business analyst is asked in the market. So let me quickly tell you what technical and non-technical topics which will be covered in the business analyst model course. So the technical part, you will see Power BI, which is a data visualization tool, which will be covered in this course, and then SQL for data management, and SAP SAC, that is analytical cloud. It is used for advanced analytics. It's like data visualization tool, but SAP oriented, not Microsoft. So this is one thing you should have some knowledge on it. And Databricks, which is a cloud-based for handling big data and machine learning projects, and we'll try to cover Jira, which is a project and task management tool. Of course, a business analyst should know this because this is one of the crucial job of a business analyst. And then we'll also cover Microsoft Visio, which is a diagramming tool for flowcharts and process modeling. And now non-technical part, we'll try to cover BRD, which is a business requirements document, FRD, which is a functional requirements document, SRS, software requirements specification, software development lifecycle, and then business process management and notation. Now sometimes you are asked to know this because when you have a project where you have to enhance the process of the organization, any kind of process, so you need to have this knowledge, which is very important. And then requirements elicitation and analysis, and then business model canvas. This is also very important to give you to model data, model the business, how it will go about, and there are some subtopics and topics related to that which we will cover, and also agile methodology, which is also very crucial, and along with that Scrum framework. Yes. So before we begin, let's understand the agenda of the topic. So we will cover what is business intelligence, what are the benefits of business intelligence, and key components of business intelligence, framework for implementing and approaching BI solutions, because we need to know the framework, how to approach the problem, understand the role of business analyst in BI, tools used in BI, and we'll do a couple of studies to show real world application of BI. We'll cover hospitality domain, we'll cover the healthcare domain, and retail banking. So let's begin. So let us quickly understand what is business intelligence. We need business intelligence to make informed decisions backed up with precise and accurate data. And business intelligence is used to extracting actionable insights from the data and guiding strategic decisions by using software and. So the key words here are informed decisions. What do you mean by informed decisions? Informed decisions is making choices that are well grounded in accurate data rather than relying solely on intuition or assumptions like the gut feeling. So you are making a decisions not out of your gut feeling, you're making decisions out of data, out of data. And for example, in retail, informed decision could mean using customer purchase data to understand which products are most popular, allowing the business to stock those products more efficiently instead of guessing which items to reorder. The business relies on data trends, ensuring higher customer satisfaction and reduced waste. So here you're making an informed decisions that how much data to how much product to keep in inventory, because at this particular time the demand is going to increase. So this is about informed decisions. The second keyword is the accurate data, which is like we need to have correct, current and applicable data to get accurate results. This is very important, because for a business, like example, for a business aiming to improve customer service, so if you have the recent current data available with you, it will be easy to analyze the feedback by the customers, and which would give a precise understanding of a way to enhance service quality. So now the most important keyword I think is actionable insights. So remember that the objective of business intelligence is to extract actionable insights from the data, because data is the base of business intelligence. We need data to analyze, and we need it to extract actionable insights. So what are actionable insights? So actionable insights are conclusions drawn from data that can lead to directly to decisions or actions, not just observations. For example, if a data analysis reveals that a majority of customers are leaving online shopping carts abandoned due to high shipping costs, this insight is actionable. It suggests that reducing shipping costs could increase completed sales, making this insight practical and immediately applicable. So actionable insights are some conclusions which can put into practice, for the objective, to gain the objective of the organization. So let us understand what could be benefits of BI, what we can get out of BI, using business intelligence to understand our organization through data. So I have cited some. There are many benefits, of course, and so I have cited according to me which are most prevalent. So one is, of course, improved decision making, which was like I explained you earlier, that how you end up making decisions on based on data rather than just a gut feeling. So you have improved decision making, and then of course enhanced operational efficiency, which is by analyzing data on process performance and resource allocation. Business intelligence identifies areas where operations can be optimized, resulting in faster processes, reduced costs and higher productivity. So it enhances operational efficiency, and of course you understand your customers, a better customer understanding. BI tools analyze customer behavior and preferences, helping business tailor their offerings, improve customer satisfaction and foster loyalty by meeting specific needs effectively, and increased competitive advantage. So when you monitor market trends, and you can monitor competitor actions, and then you can see the industry benchmarks, using business intelligence. So keeping them agile and better positions, you could make proactive, not reactive, proactive business moves. And another benefit could be revenue growth opportunities. So once you uncover insights like on sales data, for example, business intelligence highlights profitable opportunities such as new markets or high demand products. In this way, you have guided revenue driving strategies to increase your revenue. Okay, now let's talk about framework for implementing and approaching BI solutions. So definitely one needs a framework to approach any kind of problem, that how to solve it in a structured way. So the following, according to me, is a good framework to follow. So the first thing is to, of course, define objectives and scope. The objective, you should be clearly, be able to understand what the organization aims to achieve with BI. It could be improving decision making, increasing efficiency, increasing revenue, any kind of problem that the organization is facing, and that will be the objective of our project. And of course the scope of the BI project, that will it be a department specific, organization wide, or any kind of boundary which you would the project have, like in scope, out of scope, everything regarding that. And now second part is data assessment and preparation. You should be able to assess the data sources which are currently available with the organization, and of course their quality. After that, data integration from various sources, like any organization will have multiple functions or departments, and to integrate those systems, it could be a CRM system or an ERP system, databases. So you will have to be able to create a unified data set. So that's very important, followed by, of course, data cleaning and transformation. So the third one is to select the right BI tool. Now here, you should be able to choose BI tools that meet the organization's needs, considering factors like ease of use, scalability, integration capabilities, and cost. So the BI tools should be aligned with how much of cost the organization can afford. Along with that, have other qualities. And the fourth one is develop and implement data models. Set up data models that define how data is organized, accessed, and analyzed. So data modeling is very important here. And of course, important part is design and build dashboards and reports. You will have to be able to develop dashboards and reports that focus on the key metrics the organization wants to monitor. So it should be a user-centric design dashboards that are intuitive and easy to navigate, catering to users' needs. So reports and dashboards are very important aspect where the organization wants to look at the data and take decisions on that. And the sixth one is then train and enable users. You should be able to organize training sessions to help users understand how to use the BI system application effectively. And now the last one, I think, is monitor, evaluate, and optimize. So let's now focus on key components of business intelligence. So the first key component is data mining. So data mining is a process of analyzing large data sets to identify patterns,
correlations and trends that are not immediately obvious. We use algorithms and statistical models for data mining. So let's not get confused with the EDA, which is exploratory data analysis. Exploratory data analysis basically focuses on visually and statistically exploring data sets, and more of to find the shape of the data. Whereas data mining is about getting knowledge out of the data. Now reporting. So reporting is very important component of business intelligence. Reporting involves summarizing data into understandable formats such as charts, tables, and dashboards to provide insights to stakeholders. So, for example, a monthly sales report could, show a company sales trends. Company, they could compare them to previous months and help managers provide where the focus marketing efforts. So, reporting is one very essential component of business intelligence. Second is the performance metrics and benchmarking. So tracking performance metrics such as KPIs, KPI is key performance indicators, allows businesses to monitor their progress against set benchmarks or goals. What is benchmarking? So basically benchmarking is used to compare metrics to the industry standards or your competitor standard, whatever, according to your organization's objective. So you know where you stand. So performance metrics and benchmarking is a key component of business intelligence.
Now let's throw some light on what is the role of a business analyst in business intelligence. Now, since we are talking about business analyst, we should be clear about what his role is going to be in the domain of business intelligence. So the role of a business analyst in business intelligence is very crucial. So the first one, of course, is the data gathering, because it's very crucial for transforming data into actionable insights that supports strategic decision making within an organization. So a business analyst identifies the data needed to address specific business challenges or goals. So business analyst is responsible for the data gathering. So they have to work with departments to understand what data is available and what additional information is necessary. So this is a very crucial role of a business analyst. And then second is, of course, analyzing trends. So for analyzing trends, a business analyst should be able to use tools like Power BI and Tableau, so or even Excel, to identify trends, patterns, and anomalies in the data. They may use techniques like data visualization, exploratory data analysis, and statistical methods. Now, these are the techniques a business analyst should be well aware of, through which you can, extract trends in the data. So this is one very important role of a business analyst. So the third important role is stakeholder collaboration, communicating findings to help shape business strategies. So a business analyst usually work closely with stakeholders such as department heads, managers, and executives to understand their objectives and ensure that the business intelligence initiative aligns with business priorities. So stakeholder collaboration is just very, very crucial. For that, communication skills has to be utmost for a business analyst. And the last.
So tools used in business intelligence. So there are many tools in the market that are available to use in business intelligence. So most of the common tools are
Power BI, it is an interactive data visualization and analytics tool. Tableau is again same like Power BI for data analysis and visualization, and SQL for data manipulation and query. This is an important tool. And then Excel, of course, we'll cover some real world applications of business intelligence, but those will be covered in the part 2. So case studies will be covered in part 2. The domains which will be discussed in the case studies will be healthcare, retail banking, and hospitality. Well, that's for the part 2. So finally, thank you everyone. I hope it enhanced your knowledge on business intelligence, and hope to see you in the forthcoming videos.